piece that we can do is to use another variable to make the game a little bit more thrilling, and that is having a counter or a timer. Okay, so just like before, you've got to make a variable, and we can call it timer or countdown. Okay, press OK, and there it is. So you can add it to this script here if you wanted to, or you could just do it separate. Okay, so I'm going to set timer. What I'm going to do is click there, set timer not to 0. I'm going to set it to 60, and then obviously when the game starts we're going to have that. So let's see what that does. See, timer 60. Now what I want it to do is to reduce by 1 each time. Okay, so I need to probably, not forever, but to repeat it 60 times. Nope, I don't want that there. If I repeat it 60 times, it should, in theory, reduce that. So change score by 1. Now watch what happens here now. So let's think about it again. When it starts, set the timer to 60, repeat this 60 times, and it's going to change the score by 1. So when I start, it's not doing it, is it? Okay, so it's not working. I'm going to press stop. Why is it not working? Repeat 60 times, change the score by 1. Can you see why it wasn't? I don't want to be changing the score by 1. I need to be changing the timer by 1. I'm glad I made that mistake, so start again. It's there. Hopefully when I press the green, the score's gone to 0. Ah, look what it's doing though. Okay, what did it do? Well, it did work in a way. It changed the timer by 1, but look, can you see? We started at 60, it finished at 120, it added 1. So instead of adding 1, if you think of it, I've got to take 1 away. So you double click on there and it becomes -1. So trial and error yet again start. There you go. And can you see? Look at it going down there. Ah, but did you see how quick it was? Watch it again. Watch the timer again. Wow. Right. No way can a year 2 kid shoot all those things before that time. So we have to tell it to slow down. Remember when you were in year 5, we managed to get the things from moving around too quick. In fact, here, when we've got the fruit moving about, moved 80 steps this section, we're telling it to slow down by telling it to wait. So what colour's that? Okay, that's a control one. I'm going to tell it to wait 1 second, and then it should count down by 1 second each time. Let's see if it works. Look at that. Can you see it there? 56, 55. So there's the counter. Shoot that. My game is working really well. Now remember everybody that you're not to do the scores and you're not to do the timer unless you've got the bits of unhealthy food moving around and being shot perfectly. Okay? Do that first. There you go. That's your final one, I think. Have fun and good luck.